Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's had a great day. So, what are we going to be working on? Our Nearpods. And I've talked a little bit about this in class, and this is going to be an activity that we're going to talk about in the classroom, but I really want you guys to start learning how to work Nearpod and understand it better, because there are going to be times that I just assign you or send you guys a link in Remind 101 or on my website, and I want to make sure that y'all have access to that. So I'm going to submit the link in. And it already has my name here, but when you guys first click it, it should look something just like this. I'm going to put my first and my last name in. So I suggest you guys do the same. And I'm going to put second period, because I'm going to act like I'm in second period. So shout out to my second period. Hey guys. Okay, I'm going to join the session. So I would suggest, just because this is going to be really useful for you guys, and so you always have this, because I won't post this presentation on my website. So this will be directly through Nearpod. So I would suggest that you get out a piece of paper and you title it "The Racial Segregation Throughout the U.S. During the 1800s to 1960. There are 11 slides, so not that many, and especially not that many with actually words on it. And on the notes, I would suggest writing down this, because it'll help you later, and when we have a class discussion about this, you guys will know what I'm talking about. Also include the Kentucky Education Standard, because I want you guys to understand why I'm asking you to do this. So once you read through that and you're pretty confident and you've written everything down, you're going to click this blue little click. And it's going to ask you, are you ready to take a quiz? Don't worry, this isn't like a 20-question quiz. It's only 5 questions, and I'm going to do the first one with you guys. So you only have to answer 4 of them. Wow, piece of cake, right? So let's go. Well, it already has it answered for me. That's weird. So who gave the "I Had a Dream" speech, and where was this speech spoke at? So I just answered the Martin Luther King in D.C. In your notes, it says that, so all these questions will be based off your notes that you take from the PowerPoint. So I'm just going to click through here. As you can count, there are only 5, so not that many, and you only have to answer 4, because we answered the first one. I'm going to hit submit, and this just lets me know that 1 of them are blank. Obviously, I know 4 of them are blank, so I'm just going to click yes. And we got that 1 question right. So there are the answers at the bottom. The correct are in green, and the incorrect are in red. So it obviously wasn't Rosa Parks. And it just gives you a little analysis that we got 1 out of 5 right. Hopefully everyone can get 5 out of 5. This is a poll that I just want you guys to click. Just choose which one. This is in your notes. So it should be a piece of cake. Now this is our assignment that we're going to be talking more about in class. But here's just what you're going to do. You're just going to draw a poster about ending segregation. You can choose this in general, a school, government, whatever you would like. You cannot include any offensive names or cuss words, and you must have your idea approved by me. If it's not approved by me, you'll get a 0 for this assignment. We'll go to the computer lab on Thursday, and we will scan everyone's drawing into their student file. So then on your Chromebook or on the computer, once it's scanned, you're going to go right here and you're going to browse My Files. And I'm just going to click this. It's just some sunflowers, but this would actually be a drawing. I'm going to hit open. It looks like that. Let's say I just want to make it a little bit bigger. Oh, I hit the drawing. My fault, guys. And I'm just going to make it really big, just so it's centered. And I'm going to hit submit. And then voila, you are done. You don't have to send any proof that you did it. In this link, this is like the teacher report, and I will show you guys. I've done so many demos, so I'm just going to, so it says I did the poll. I didn't do it open-ended, and it gives me a quiz, and it just gives me your grade participation. So it does let me know in my system what you did and didn't do, so you don't have to worry about documenting anything to me. The only thing that you will physically turn in is your notes for another grade that I gave you guys for like a little bonus, and your drawings. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.